Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing a next-level floor cleaning machine that's built for speed, power, and smart functionality. Meet the DREAME H14 Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner, featuring a 180 degrees lie flat mop, 140 degrees Fahrenheit washing with fast hot air drying, 18 kPa powerful suction, easy glide wheel movement, and smart app control. If you're looking for a versatile wet-dry cleaning solution that handles everything from dust to stubborn spills, this is a premium choice. The DREAME H14 Pro combines wet mopping and vacuuming in a single machine. Its 18 kPa suction ensures deep removal of dirt, dust, and pet hair from hardwood, tile, or laminate floors. The 180 degrees lie flat mop allows the cleaner to reach under furniture, beds, and cabinets effortlessly, making cleaning those hard-to-reach areas simple and efficient. Cleaning is elevated by 140 degrees Fahrenheit washing with fast hot air drying, which ensures hygienic results, killing bacteria and reducing moisture left behind on your floors. This combination of deep cleaning and rapid drying minimizes downtime and prevents streaking or damp surfaces. Maneuverability is another standout feature. The H14 Pro features easy glide wheel movement, allowing smooth navigation around furniture and corners without lifting or tilting. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue during extended cleaning sessions, making it suitable for large areas or multi-room homes. Smart features include app connectivity, allowing you to control cleaning modes, monitor progress, and schedule sessions directly from your smartphone. This smart integration brings convenience, automation, and customization to your floor care routine. Whether you have pets, children, or high-traffic areas, the DREAME H14 Pro ensures your floors remain spotless, hygienic, and dry. Its combination of powerful suction, wet-dry functionality, fast hot air drying, and smart control makes it a standout choice for any modern home. If you want a versatile, high-performance wet-dry vacuum and mop system, the DREAME H14 Pro Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent option. Check it out via the Amazon link below, and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed product reviews.